Hi, I'm Jason Daquelente, and I'm here to give you a brief tutorial on how to draw things in perspective. This will be very effective in drawing things to add depth to your pieces. First, we start with what is known as the horizon line. This is where your eyes would be directly at if you were to stand straight and look forward. All objects would be either below or above this. Sometimes they would protrude in the middle. This point we call the vanishing point. This is the point on the horizon line where all objects will vanish to. Here we have our orthogonals, or otherwise known as rays. These lines serve a purpose to draw the object back into the vanishing point, keeping an even amount of space between the end of the object and the beginning of the object. Now let's give it a try. Start by drawing your horizon. Next you have your vanishing point. You can put your vanishing point anywhere on the horizon line. It can be towards the left, it can be towards the right, but here we'll just try it in the middle, just for simplicity. Put your object anywhere on the plane. Here we'll start with a square, just for the simplicity of this lesson. Next, from each corner, draw your orthogonals right to the vanishing point. As you can see, this object now shows depth. Now, draw from each corner your orthogonals back to the vanishing point. As you can already see, this now object looks to be a rectangular prism, never ending to the vanishing point. Notice how we have only drawn 3 lines though. Our fourth line, make a dotted line or draw softly, because this one will have to be erased eventually to close off the object, making it a closed object. Now, draw the end of the object straight up parallel with each of the lines on the side and on the top. Now, erase the dotted dashed lines and the lines going from the vanishing point into the end corners of your rectangle. Now let's try another object. This object will be below and above our horizon line to give us sort of a challenge. Again, draw your orthogonals from each corner to the vanishing point. Close off your object and then delete the orthogonals past the object. And just to add more depth, let's give it a road. Roads are very easy, for they are just lines running back to the vanishing point. Here you go. A very easy tutorial on how to draw objects with depth in perspective. Try it yourself with more complex objects. See how far you can go. And once you finally have it down, you'll be able to create masterpieces with detail and everything you can think of in regards to our perspective. And goodbye.